To change presser feet on the Pfaff sewing machines, all you need to do is actually just take your fingers and push straight down. You'll notice that there's a little bar here that the foot is attached to on the machine. So all you need to do is actually just take the foot to put it on and lift straight up and give it a little pressure and it'll click right into place. So push down and lift up. Now let me show you just a little trick. Not all the machines have the cutout at the back of the foot for the IDT. That's this part here. So if for any reason you're using, say, your foot 2A or your buttonhole foot or a specialty foot that does not have that cutout, make sure that this is not down while you're trying to put the foot in place. Trust me, it's not easy and won't work at all. So when you go ahead and put that on, you can just lift the foot up in place, pull the IDT down and engage it for any foot that has that opening, which is a lot of them that are made for the Pfaff machines.